Nestled in a forest clearing in Normandy, France, this home began as a modest 1970s Phoenix house passed down through generations. Rather than replacing it, Java architecture chose to preserve its history while transforming it into a contemporary home that better reflects modern living, proving that renovation can be just as powerful as rebuilding. From the outside, the house sits quietly within the woodland, blending naturally with its surroundings. A series of disconnected additions was unified into a single volume inspired by traditional rural farmhouses. Timber cladding and reclaimed roof tiles give the home a timeless appearance while strengthening its connection to the landscape. The renovation focused on improving the existing structure instead of demolishing it. Since the original framework remained solid, the architects enhanced its performance through better insulation, brighter interiors, and more efficient spaces. The project demonstrates how an ordinary house can be reimagined with sustainability and long-term functionality in mind. The largest transformation appears on the western side, where the living area was expanded with a laminated Douglas fir structure. Floor-to-ceiling glazing opens the interior to the forest, while a timber screen filters sunlight and adds privacy. The result is a bright living space that feels closely connected to nature throughout the seasons. The former garage was also given a completely new purpose. It now contains guest accommodations on the ground floor and a children's dormitory above, linked by a sheltered outdoor gathering space beside the kitchen. Wrapped in a new timber structure, the extension feels like a second house that naturally complements the original building. Between the garage and the main house, a semi-outdoor living area creates a comfortable place for family gatherings. Protected from the weather but still open to the landscape, it is illuminated by glass roof tiles and translucent polycarbonate panels that fill the space with soft, changing natural light. The timber facade does more than define the home's appearance. Integrated Douglas fir compartments provide built-in firewood storage, allowing the exterior to subtly change as the wood is stacked and used. This practical feature adds texture, rhythm, and a sense of everyday life to the architecture. A continuous wooden terrace extends along the house, strengthening the relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces. Beyond it, much of the forest remains untouched, allowing nature to shape the atmosphere. Rather than dominating the site, the architecture quietly frames the surrounding landscape. Once Upon a Time in the Perche House shows how thoughtful renovation can unlock the hidden potential of an existing home. By preserving its original structure, introducing sustainable materials, and strengthening the connection to nature, Java architecture created a home that feels both timeless and deeply rooted in its surroundings.